drop stitch, push stuff on the pegs down. Now a double drop stitch. Now for a single, you wrap and take the bottom over the top. The double, you're doing the same thing, but you're wrapping the first peg 2 times, the second peg once. You wrap that first peg 2 times, second peg once. First peg 2 times, second peg once. First peg 2 times, second peg once. So this is what a set of a double drop stitch look like. You'll still do 4 pegs E-wrap, 4 pegs drop stitch, 4 pegs E-wrap. You do that all the way around, just the same way as you've been doing it, except you're wrapping your drop stitch pegs 2 times. And then when you're done, when you take them off, you'll take both those loops off, just like that.